The Outdoor Cooking Channel. Chicken flavor. Some of this here. Crystal water. Here comes the ramen noodles. Alright, we're boiling. This is outdoor cooking at its finest. You ready to eat?
Yeah.
Yeah. How do you like them? Nice heavy duty chain. This thing's strong. I think it'll hold up a couple 100 pounds. This is probably the weakness, would be these screws pulling out. And there's 5 screws on each side.
Steals it?
How are they gonna steal it?
They're gonna go.
Yeah, they're gonna be out here for 5 minutes
race car
pulling
drivers.
screws. Right, and I'll be inside snoring. I'll hear them, I think.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Light it.
Alright, I think your ramen's almost done.
Done, done.
Done, done, done. You want a fork or a spoon?
Oh, spork.
A spork? I don't have a spork.
Oh.
Fork it is.
Oh, yeah.
Fork it is. How's your bass doing? You got a fat bass?
You get demonetized.
I'm not gonna get demonetized. We're allowed to talk about fish.
That bass.
Yeah, fat bass is okay. I know. This bad boy is slammed. I love the vroom vroom coming with the exhaust.
When are you gonna take it to a car show?
Soon. Next time we find a car show. Extreme close up. You gotta twirl it like spaghetti, no? It's getting late. Sun's down. There it is, the first meal on the new kitchen. Outdoor kitchen camper / workbench. Oh, you get the picture.